How to make a number counter in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by clicking into the Fusion panel, hit this T icon here to create a text node. Right click the text node and select Edit Controls. Change the name to Counter, the type should be number, and the page should be text. Check the integer box and set the range from 0 to 1 million. Set the input control to slider control and then choose OK. Next, right click this text box and choose Expression. Highlight this text and delete it, and then paste the expression that's in the description of this video. As soon as you hit enter, your counter is going to appear, and you can increase or decrease the value using this slider at the bottom. You do have the option to customize what this number is. So if you just want it to be a number without any currency, or you want it to have a percentage at the end, you can fully customize that by changing the code here. The prefix in the code is any element that goes before the number. So say for example, you didn't want to have a currency sign here, you can just simply delete it, but leave those quotation marks there. The same is true for the suffix at the end. Let's say for example, you want to go for a percentage. You can enter a percentage in between the two quotation marks. As soon as you hit enter, it's going to reflect on your counter. Now when we increase and decrease this, it goes to a percentage. If you don't want any currency or percentages on your number, you can just come into both of these quotations and remove it from both of them. To animate this so that it counts up for your video, you need to come down to this counter slider and create an initial keyframe at the point of which you want it to start animating. For me, this is 0 frames. So I'm going to create this keyframe. Next, you need to move your playhead to where you want the animation to end. For me, I'm going to go for 70 frames, and I'm just going to increase it ever so slightly. If you find it's jumping too high for you, you can manually input the number into this box that you're going for. Let's say I want to go for 600. As you already set the initial keyframe, the second keyframe automatically sets for you. So now if you play this back, we've animated that counter in our video. You can customize how your counter looks by customizing these settings here. So you can change the font to anything that you want. You can also customize the size, the color, etc, etc. Once you're happy with this, you can come back into the edit panel, and now we have that counter that's counting up in our video, and that's all there is to it.